Okay. So, here we're supposed to add, actually let's Google really quick, minimum tax. So everybody turn on your computer, you're gonna Google minimum tax, alternative minimum tax, Minnesota. M1MT. Let's see what that is. Take a look at it and read it. Okay, so I looked at the 2021 M1MT. Are you guys looking at that too? This is from a few years ago. And underneath the instructions it says, should I file the Schedule M1MT? And it says that you only file it if you're required to pay federal alternative minimum tax. It looks like it's a lot of like operating loss kind of stuff. It kind of looks like maybe it's all about like if you own a business or a farm and you had a loss that year, that you might have a different kind of tax that you have to pay. This is not something we're going to have to do for this, so we can close that one out. Okay, so it says that we're supposed to add lines 9 and 11, and our tax was what, $500?
I mean,
10 and 11, sorry. And then for 13, it says full year residents, that's what we are. Enter the amount from line 12 on line 13. What does it mean, full year resident? Michaela?
Some people move to like down south in the winter when it's cold.
Yes,
Or in different states.
exactly. If you live in two different, raise your hand if you have a snowbird that you know or in your family where people take off during the winter and get out of here. Okay, so they're paying for two different states, but we live here all year round, the full year residents. This could also be the case if you move in the middle of the year, not just if you're like going to a second home. So it says part year residents. I'm going to skip that part because I'm not a part year residents. Other taxes such as recapture amounts and the tax on lump sum distributions. We don't have any of these because we don't own any property or any stocks or bonds, so we don't need to worry about that right now. Tax before credits, add 13 and 14, so we're still at 500. Amount from line 19 of Schedule M1C non-refundable credits, M1C. I don't think I had this one on Schoology yesterday. I'm going to look. Or did I just have the instructions on there yesterday? I have M1 instructions and the Schedule M1M. Okay, let's look at Schedule M1C. So everybody's going to Google Schedule M1C. Non-refundable credits. Did you guys find a copy? I'm looking at one from 2021. Which is, you got one from 2022? Yeah. I'm looking at a lot of credits for stuff. This looks like past military service, education savings, attaining a master's degree in a teacher's licensure field. Ooh, that's something I should notice. Student loan credit. What are credits, by the way? What are credits going to do?
Money off your taxes.
Right, money after, not off of your income, by the way, off of your taxes. So this is actually off the good, this is the great credits that we really want. Unfortunately, I don't think any of these count for us. This is a neat one. If you look at, so I'm looking at Schedule M1C. Hold on. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. M1C. Five two. Add materials. Okay, everybody look on Schoology under today's date. And look at what I'm looking at. It's from a year ago, but it's still information we need. Okay, so